Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Nova controller. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, let's take a look at the top of the device. Right here we can find layout and information that this controller has HD Rumble vibration, it's wireless, and it's controller for Nintendo Switch. Take a look at the back of the controller now. Here we can learn about RGB anti-friction glide ring, wideband HD Rumble motor, Hall effect sensing sticks, responsive membrane buttons, 2 macro back buttons, anti-slip laser textured grips, and motion control for immersive gameplay. Let me take the controller out of the original box. Firstly, we can see controller case. Each GameSir controller comes with this case. Inside we can also find additional box with user manual and cable. Let me take the controller out of the case. And take a look at the layout. Here we've got minus plus button from the Nintendo Switch, screenshot button, home button, mode button for changing profile, 2 Hall effect sticks, D-pad, B, A, Y, X buttons, 2 bumpers, 2 triggers, and 2 additional mappable buttons. At the back we can also find serial number. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.